going on, Eric Lim? What's going on, Danny Breeze? What's going on, yes sir? Alright, today's day 202, guys. Day 202. We're up 50.6 today. Green day, first day of October. 10-1. Good way to start the month. Yes, Michi, come here. Come on. Come on, Michi. Come on. Hey. You wanna come on, Michi? Come on. Michi, come on. Up. Up. Alright, weirdo. Don't jump up. Fine by me. Alright. Documents. 50.6. Go here. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day. What's going on, Mister? What's going on, Eros? What's going on, BK? What's going on, Financial? What's going on, Michael McGargle? 50.6. Where you at? There you are. Alright, open that up. Ouch. And save. Alright. Got YouTube ready to go. Just getting everything set up on YouTube. Come here, Meech. You gonna come up or not? Keep down there. Come on. Come here. You gonna come up or not? Last call. Last call before I don't let you up. 3. Oh, there you go. Okay. We just gotta get Michi on film here. Oh, she might get herself on film. Alright. Anyways, Michi keeps me in check when I'm trading bad. That's for sure, don't you, Meech? Alright, I am live. Going over today's trading day, first day of the month, up 50.6K. You're kind of in my way now, Meech. Just a little bit here. Oops. Making it hard on me here, kitty. Alright, let me get my phone quickly. Yeah, I'm at $50,000 today. I'm just gonna get everything set up on social media quick, guys. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. There was opportunities out there for sure, but again, they're slowing down for sure. I mean, we're never going to continue without HUSA market. And what I'm trying to do in this type of market now is catch all the former runners that went 3, 4, 500, 1,000 plus %. Oops. And catch them on the bounce plays. What do we got here? Whoa, what's going on with loan? I just looked at my scanner. Loan is up. Jeez. What is going on with this thing? Anybody know what's going on with loan? This thing's up over 100%. Let me know. That'd be great. LONE. CBAT. OXBR. It's another runner today. SDLB. And lastly, another runner would be CTIC. Alright, that's posted. What's going on, Alex? What's going on, me? What's going on, Cebus? Joe STX, what's going on? Doing awesome. Yeah, I shorted the markets today. I tried to long NKLA after the puts because I was in something else. I had higher conviction. I wish I would have gotten short NKLA, but I shorted the markets and made some good money, so that was great. What's going on, Kyle? Alex, yeah, just join my free chat room, and feel free to reach out, and I'll get back to you as best I can. There's a ton of content in the room though you can learn from, and my YouTube channel, which is Cam the Man. YouTube channel, which is Cam the Man. Just do some DD. My room and the YouTube channel have a ton of information for you if you look around. Should help. What's going on, Kyle? What's going on, me Booker? All in NK. Can someone at GM tell me what? You went all in on NKLA puts. Hopefully a higher price. I need to play to get over this damn restriction. You could get into a different brokerage if you want. All right, guys, we're letting everybody kind of trickle on in here. Hopefully, you guys had a great trading day. We're live on TikTok now, on Instagram as well. So there's that. Alright guys, get a lot of people coming, trickle on in here. We'll give it like one more minute or 30 seconds here before we kind of get started. Appreciate that, Alex. Again, hopefully you guys have been studying. Study. As I always say, study, guys. Knowledge is power in this world. You are always going to win when you have knowledge. Don't ever... Learning in this world is the most important thing you can do in any subject. Because if you're smarter than someone else, then usually you're ahead in the game. I mean, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, those guys are all... Warren Buffett, they're all 10, 20, 50, 100,000 times fold smart as me, you know. I'm just a little ant on an anthill compared to them, but eventually someday I wish to get as smart as them. And how do I do that? I consistently want to learn, and I consistently find subject matter to learn. Knowledge is power when applied. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started today. As you guys can see, $50,600 on that. And then I've been getting some complaints on how long I show trades. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So OXBR, guys, I actually longed it out of the gates. I started to see this thing trickle on up. And I longed it in this consolidation. I believe it had a 180 average. Or 181 average, somewhere in there. I liked it because these bounce plays, this is part of my strategies, okay? The stocks that have gone, what's going on Javier, what's going on Kitty, what's going on Derek, what's going on Blackview, what's going on Ryan, what's going on Hazin, what's going on, guys? Sorry about that, guys. I just let my Jimmy John's guy in. I'm gonna have some lunch here in a moment, but so you know when sorry, I'm always clearing my throat. Exactly. Bill Gates as a team would read one whole book a week. So today, guys, you know, I knew this was a big runner before, and today was day 3. I always wait for day 3 on a bounce play on a parabolic long. Today was day 3. I liked it out of the gates, and I scaled some way too early. I scaled it all out at like 228 and 225-ish range in here. This thing ran above, tapped 250, and then it kind of consolidated. This is still on watching tomorrow. I got slammed on a bounce play, though. I tried to catch this thing on a bounce in here. Got slammed in this candle and lost a big chunk of my profits on that trade. You know, that's you know, I thought that this was going to get a bounce play. I kind of saw higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. This volume here I thought was going to continue. You know, we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red candles in a row, And I thought, you know what, 212 should bottom out here, get through view off, and start making its way back up, especially with the volume we saw right here. Nope. Got slammed. I didn't like the way this candlestick has showed its true colors. The volume and the time in sales on these two candlesticks in here to go to the upside were not what I was expecting. I was expecting to see a nice pop, to 225, maybe even 228 on 1 or 2 1-minute candlesticks, because I thought shorts were going to cover and we're going to start to get an uptrend. Well, this thing was weak, and the level 2 and time in sales flipped on me. And so, that is what it is, guys. At the end of the day, when you see things like that, you're definitely like, holy crap, like everything changed in a moment, right? So I got killed on this candlestick and, lost about, I think, $10,000 plus on this candlestick. But still made good profits on the upside. I had a good amount of shares on the upside. I made about, this is a big trade of mine, about $25,000, $30,000 on the upside. So still protected some of my profits. CBAT was another one I traded today. Was watching this one all day. We started to get a pennant formation, right? Which is a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, and we're getting tighter and tighter, right? We finally broke out here and we made a move. And I actually started to scale some in here and then grabbed this dip and popped it off in here. Then we started to hold, so I grabbed some of this dip in here and then scaled at like 260. Grabbed the last dip with very, very small size, like 3,000 shares, and took it off on that. So happy the way I executed this trade. My big chunk I took off in here. And then I took another big chunk in here and took it off in there. And then I waited for it to consolidate. We showed it. And then I took some off at, like I said, 260, 261. Waited for that dip there. It got very small. So basically, the farther it went up, the smaller my share size. This first initial move was one of my bigger share sizes. And I had a pretty big share size in here. Then I kind of scaled down into that play. And that was my trade on that one. SPY, I shorted. I shorted because I saw the Fed news, and the Fed news was basically goes like this. Those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Cam the Man. That way you guys can see my screen share. If you guys want to see my screen share, go to Cam the Man on TikTok. Thank you so much. But I shorted the markets on this pop right here. Literally, I'm not joking you. So I saw this pop and I shorted at 336.68 on this. So I had a fallout and then this thing popped back up and I shorted it at 366 on the repop. And risk off was going to be 337, and I was going to cover and try and wait it out and try and get an edge. Came right back down, slammed, and went through here. And then, at the end of the day, I caught it right there, and I took my profits 335.40. So right there, 44. Let this thing come back up, re-shorted a little bit in here, and then covered like right in here, and that was it. Big short was here, smaller size was on this pop, and this very small size was big size here, and then smaller size on this pop, covered it up, and that was it for me. Basically, the news that the Fed had released seemed to be like they were going to be voting on whether they're going to be doing a stimulus plan or not. And the Fed has been back and forth on what they're going to do. And so that to me was bearish, because if the Fed doesn't provide stimulus to the economy, then the market's going to come back down. I think that's 95.5 in my opinion. So that's why I shorted that one. NKLA, I tried to get long, actually up in here, and then I longed some more in here, and I was break even right here, a little bit of profit, didn't get it off the table, lost about $6,000 on this trade. Luckily I didn't hold. We nailed the puts on this one. Option alerts. I had an option alert that I put out, or an option idea. NKLA watch for puts. High watch. 8:32 Pacific. 12:32 Eastern Standard. So that was right on this candlestick right here. So we nailed the top on those puts. This thing slammed back down. Started to look for some calls because it came down so fast. Or started to look for some alongside potential. Got washed out. Still think this can potentially come back in it tomorrow. 23 key level to hold, but I lost money on that one. CBAT was, like I said, about $20,000, $30,000 trade. SPI took some wash on this one. I actually had a nice little trade in the close though. I think I got long at 563 and sold out right at the close for about a 580 sell. Watching this one tomorrow. If this ends up holding, if 535 ends up being the bottom, We had some nice sellers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of sellers were getting out in here. This could be the bottom. I've seen offering stocks run, okay? And this one traded, you know, 350 million shares plus on this day. I'm at $46. I'm waiting for a bounce. I really do think when the bounce day comes, we can trade 50 million shares plus on the day, okay? Sure, we might not bounce to $46 or even $30 or maybe not even $20, but even if we get 100% bounce with massive volume, I want to be there. So I played a little bit today. Tomorrow I'm watching it. I didn't hold it overnight because they do have, I think they still have a big shelf overhead, which means they can have a offering. They can do more offerings, which is something that I'm very weary of. 8 p.m. Again, another bounce play, parabolic bounce play. I tried to play this one and didn't get any luck today. Basically, just kind of took small paper cut losses all over it. And that was pretty much it today, guys. Those are my trades on the day. Oh, except for WWR. WWR, I tried to get long right in here. Got washed out and didn't want to touch it again. Of course, this thing's coming back up. Kind of reminds me a little bit of NNDM. NNDM, guys. This one had a nice pop. It kind of reminds me a little bit of that. They have an offering, though. So, watching these parabolic bounce plays going into tomorrow. Those of you guys who are interested in my free chat room, click the link in the description below. Again, those of you guys who are interested in my free chat room, click the link in the description below. You're interested in my course, the sale ended, but check that out. It's also in the link description below. If you want brokers that I recommend, Webull, that pays you up to $1,400 in free stocks. Those of you guys on YouTube can verify that. A lot of you guys have signed up. They do pay you. It might not be up to $1,400, but they always give you free stock. And the scanner that I use, also in the description below. I trade about 60-80% of my stocks from my scanner. It's right here in front of me. I have it on HP Spec Trade. Trade Ideas is what I do. Howl Ticker. Reach out to me on Discord if you're looking for another sale. I'm not doing another sale now, but reach out to me on Discord, and I might be able to help you out. So Howl Ticker, reach out to me on Discord if you want to try and get a little bit of a discount. I can try and help you out with that. Other than that, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the, and I don't like giving out sales, but I ended the sale yesterday, but I know there's going to be a couple of you that are going to message me today saying I didn't know there was a sale, and I try and do my best for those people that want the sale. So if you're interested, I can potentially, hook you up with the sale. I know that you guys didn't get to see it, and I don't feel like I did a good enough job getting it all over my social media that well because I've been pretty busy. So if you reach out to me, feel free to give you that sale. And again, please like and subscribe. Again, smash that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button. That really helps the free channel out at normangotrading.com. If you smash that subscribe button 1,000 times over, we should be able to get, there's 90 of you here, we should be able to get at least 50 new subscribers. Those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Again, those guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Alright, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon to if I make new videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, team, and go Hawks.